Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you are watching this video from. This is The Real WAP. Guys, please make sure you like and subscribe. Like, subscribe. I will be dropping notice like this every single day. This channel, it covers about politics, gist, celebrities, and what is happening around the world in general. And guys, please make sure you subscribe, invite your friends. So without wasting most of your time, let's just go straight into the video we have today. So guys, this one is a very heartbreaking story. It's about the same thing that has been going on, that the government of Lagos State has also accepted that is happening. So this one just happened recently, yesterday, as of yesterday. Guys, be careful on Lagos, on Face. So anywhere you are, just be careful in Lagos State. The robbers are on loose. So this story says like this. It said, "This happened to my friend at T-Love on her way to Lekki at about 8 p.m. yesterday, 13/6/2021. Her boat Nigerian driver was double-crossed. The rider was stabbed and they took my friend in their car, black Toyota Matrix. One of the kidnappers started pressing her bobby inside the car, telling the other one her bobby is too small for what they need it for. Then she started dragging with them and they started stabbing her. But thank God she escaped via the car window. Please guys, let's be safe out there. This country has failed us. Going out and coming in safely is underrated. The government has failed us." Yeah, they have failed us, really. They have failed us. Let me just play you this video, guys. Watch this video, then you come back, we'll talk something about it, okay?
Please, be very careful. This is what they did, though. It's my friend. Oh my God.
How your friend?
You see, after collect her phone, collect money, collect everything, you almost killed her day. Government says, we are not secured anymore.
So guys, you can see how this girl's body is. They really messed her up. So guys, please be careful. Please, I'm begging you guys, anywhere you are in Lagos, be careful because things are happening. The police are not doing their work, then the armies are not doing their work. All they do is mount roadblock, and they are after Yahoo boys, while the real Yahoo boys are there in their houses. They are being safeguarded by the police. Please guys, let's tweet this around and make the Lagos State government to know that this is still happening and it's getting worse and worse every single day, that they should please provide security in Lagos State, because people are no longer safe in their homes, on the road, anywhere you are. Are we all going to start hiring a security guard? We cannot do that. Some of us live below the poverty, and we are the one being attacked most, not those people that are being safeguarded. Please guys, tell me what you think about what happened to this girl on the comment section. Let's just talk about it, and don't just see this video and walk off. Please don't walk off of this video. Make sure you write something, you comment something, or you share this video to your friends to tell them that they should be careful. Share this video, guys, please. I'm asking you and I'm pleading with you to tell someone that is still by the side what is happening. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. Please guys, to this video. And guys, this is a very funny one. It's about Speed Darlington. We all know him. the Instagram I would say the Instagram famous whatever. So this is what he has to say about hotel servers. Let me just play you this video, guys, so you get to watch it and tell me what you think also about him.
I'm looking for change, for real. 200 naira change, 200 naira change. All these hotel workers, nah man. Like go off, bro. I haven't built a house. What think? Because I come from overseas. I pay for my water. Every time person brings something, I give money. I hate that shit. Bring change, bro. Every time this is a million or coke, that's your change. Everybody make it like that. Madam, now bring my change.
So he's lamenting about hotel workers that anytime he places an order and they bring it to his room, that he has to, you know, sort it out. So he's now stressed, he's tired of giving 1,000, and he said that he wants to, you know, change the money to 200 so that it will be very easy for him to attend. Maybe now he's giving the 1,000 and he's not going to be afraid to order for more things. Maybe he might be in need of food or other things, but for him to call them, he will be like, I'll have to pay another 1,000. Wait, and I think the hotel management should really swift into action to eradicate all these things. It's not good for a hotel guest. It's not good for good experience. A customer is meant to tip what he wants to tip. It's not every time he's being served he's going to be tipped, or he's going to tip the worker. Please guys, let's just be careful about the people we employ on our work, on our workplace, on everything. So guys, thank you once again. I love you. Keep subscribing, keep liking. This is the end of the video today. I love you guys. Peace.